Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a special edition of the Coffee with Craig show. I'm here with Natalia Tomczyk, who's Miss Vice World Poland in 2015, and our Europa Property brand ambassador. So, Natalia, great to see you in the office, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show.
Thank you for invitation.
Yeah, it's great that we're here both at the same time. I mean, with all your traveling, I see, and I'm doing a bit of traveling, but great that we're here all in the same day. And again, thank you for joining us on the show and also being our brand ambassador at the coming up, our next event, which is the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th in Sopot at the Radisson. So, I mean, you did a great job and everyone loved you at our last event, which was our retail awards, and, very fun time. So I think we'll have a lot of fun up at the beach area and seeing the Baltics.
I like Sopot so much, so I'm so happy to be a part of event.
I see you're doing some modeling up there as well. Once in a while, I see you're doing photo shoots up there, yeah?
Yes, exactly.
So that's also a good place. And of course, the Radisson being the newest hotel up there now, or at least one of the new ones, a great place for events, So, so we have a lot going on, and that'll be I think really the whole weekend will be a lot of fun. And we've got a lot of new, as you know, we've got a lot of new a lot of new categories, award categories, a little bit more of on the forum side, which we'll talk about here in a minute. I think we'll take a little break and we'll come right back and talk a little bit more about that. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Baltic coast at the Radisson Blue Hotel. Countries covered in the awards include the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, Norway, as well as Germany, and of course Poland. Book your tickets, sponsorships, and place your nominations now on our website, and feel free to email me for more details.
I'm very excited about the event, and I'm very excited about premier partner Panattoni.
Yeah, it's great to, exactly. It's great to have Panattoni joining us once again, biggest logistics and warehouse developer in Europe. And yeah, great to have them on. They have a lot of projects going on in the region. This year, we have a very interesting jury pool, and we have over 50 jurors, and very exciting things.
I'm very excited about new jury members: PN Consulting, Eurosteel, Amazon, Żabka, Invesco Real Estate, New York, Bank PKO, Olivia Business Center, Szwedzkie Górski, LPP.
Yeah, great group. The new ones, the newest ones that have just joined us, and PN Consulting, of course, they're on our hotel panel, which we'll talk about a little bit later. Eurosteel, probably most of you know them. They've got big projects up there, big developers. Amazon, probably everyone's heard of by now. Żabka, very interesting retailer, and really cutting edge innovation that they've come up with. So we'll hear more from them. Of course, Invesco doing a lot of investments in the region. New Work, which we know from organizing the offices and the serviced offices. PKO, Bank PKO. Everyone, I think, probably in Poland at least knows Bank PKO, and they're doing a lot of projects. Olivia Business Center up in the Tri-City area. They're by far the biggest office center. And then Szwedzkie Górski, great lingerie. So probably a company that is at least all the women know, and the men should know it, I would think. And then LPP with big international, Poland-based, but big international retailer with Reserved and.
In Mojito, this is LPP.
Model in Mojito. So they'll be there as well. They'll probably be, we know her. Yes, exactly. I'm sure they sold a lot more clothes when you were modeling them.
So posing for them for half a year.
Oh, great. Well,
in Gdańsk.
In Gdańsk, yeah, that's where their office is, exactly. So they're coming. So great to have them all on the jury. And, we have about another 40 other jury members that we already talked about, but very exciting event. Yeah, so very distinguished and diverse jury. Will be very interesting to see how they vote on all these categories, which of course we have a lot of categories this year, and some quite interesting ones, starting with the agency side and the service providers. We've got corporate agency, e-commerce company of the year, professional service provider, office developer, bank, retail developer, law firm, project management company, property management company, which is big up there, also construction firm, tax and financial, office project, retail project, mixed use, refurbished, a lot of refurbishment, as you know, going on, future projects of the year. Of course, we have hotel leisure this year, and investor investment deal and retailer of the year.
I'm so happy that we have so interesting categories. Warehouse developer, a logistic company, manufacturer, plant manager, supply chain management, and BTS project.
Yeah, that's a big sector up in a big part of the Baltics, is really the amazing amount of logistics development that has taken place there.
And I'm so happy that we added PRS investor, PRS developer, residential PRS project.
Yeah, the PRS sector, of course, booming up there, and not only in the Baltics and Scandinavia, but also Poland, northern Poland. A lot more is being developed for the residential for rent.
And we should definitely add marinas and deep water ports. As the Danish ambassador just mentioned to me how important Danish ports are becoming to the regional logistics.
Yeah, I mean, the ports are filling up, and waiting lists to unload products for the Baltics, for Scandinavia, the Nordics, and also just moving product into Poland and Ukraine. So it's definitely picking up, and yeah, definitely a lot is coming through the Baltic, and Denmark is one of the main ports as well. So we will definitely add those categories.
Okay.
Good idea.
Yes.
Yeah. So then of course, on the evening before, we have our big jury dinner on the Wednesday, the 24th at the Radisson Hotel. And then starting Thursday morning, we kick off the forum with our speed networking, coffee, great little breakfast before we start our panels.
Starting off the morning first panel, warehouse, logistics, ports, and marinas. And after break, we will have development and international investment. And the third panel is PRS, luxury living, residential to buy, trends and prospects. And finalizing the morning is hotel investment, development, and operations.
Right. Well, thank you for that. Yeah, Natalia, yes, exactly. We have a lot going on in the morning, so don't miss the morning sessions. Then we break for light lunch, more networking, and then move on to the gala. So that is the end of what happens at our forum, and then the more exciting and my favorite part is the gala dinner. Yeah, so that we start at 6:30 in the evening with opening cocktails, lots of great wine and drinks, and of course Natalia will be there. Great opportunity to meet to meet some of our clients and get some great pictures with them too, I would imagine.
It's so nice to see you.
Yeah, so definitely I'll come. Yeah, we've got our so after the opening cocktails, then we start with our great 5-star dinner, sit down dinner in gala, and I know you'll be presenting some of the awards, which will be nice, and saying a few words to our guests.
Okay.
And and then we'll wrap it up with some very nice music in the evening and some networking and late night celebrating, I think. Yeah.
Our previous event was so nice and so good music.
Yeah, we had very good music. Well, we have something different in Sopot, but it'll be very nice as well. So maybe some dancing even. We'll see. Yeah.
Super.
So, Natalia, great to see you today, and great to see you. Welcome to the show, and thank you for having time to do our show today. And great to actually see you in the office the same time I'm in the office as well. So a lot to prepare before the event. So a lot coming up, and yeah, we'll see you all. We'll see you all on May 25th at the Radisson Blu Hotel in SoPod. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.